Welcome to you in Kana Math classes for second year math under CBSE board based on NCERT. I am going to develop your clear concept in differential equation. A step in differential equation that you might get verify the given differential equation through given function. In this connection, I will solve the differential equation. A step in the goal of differential equation. If you get the derivative of both sides, y is equal to ax is a function. Now, if we differentiate or get derivative of both sides, you will have y dash is equal to a. Y dash is equal to a with respect to x, it means 1, a into 1. Now, substituting the value of y dash in the given differential equation, you will have x, y dash means a. X a by virtue of given function ax is equal to a, hence x a is equal to y, hence verified. Verified. Now, in this connection, we will take up question number 6. That is y equal to x sin x. Y equal to x sin x, and the concerned differential equation is xy dash is equal to y plus x under root x square minus y square such that x is not equal to 0 when x is greater than y or x is less than minus y. Now, we will take derivative of both sides, that is y dash is equal to x product of two functions. We have to take the derivative of product of two functions, means first function into derivative of second, that is cos x plus sin x and derivative of first. Y dash will be x cos x plus sin x. Here we will get the first derivative of the given function y dash is equal to x cos x plus sin x. Here from the function sin x will be equal to y by x. Sin x will be equal to y by x. Sin x will be equal to y by x by putting the value of sin x and hence the cos x. Y dash is equal to x cos x plus sin x. Here we will have to put x, y dash is equal to y plus x and so on. Hence, in the given differential equation, we will substitute the value of sin x and y dash. The left hand side of this differential equation, left hand side of this differential equation, that is x y dash. X y dash means x cos x plus sin x. X into y dash means x cos x plus sin x. Again you will write x, and you have given here sin x equal to y by x. It means you may find out the value of cos x. Cos x is equal to under root 1 minus sin square x, 1 minus y by x whole square. Hence, by substituting the value of cos x and sin x, left hand side of the differential equation we will get x within the bracket x cos x. X cos x means this, under root 1 minus y square upon x square plus sin x. Sin x means y by x. Y by x. Now substituting the value of sin x, cos x and y x in the left hand side of the differential equation, we will get the expression like this. Now here x square minus y square upon x square, and out of under root this will become x. X into under root x square minus y square upon x square means only x, and this will be cut by this plus y by x. Now this will be equal to x under root x square minus y square plus, now here we will write xy dash equal to x under root x square minus y square plus y by x. If you multiply by x within the bracket, you will get x under root x square minus y square plus x into y by x. X will be cut by this, and the requisite answer will be equal to x under root x square minus y square plus y. X square minus y square plus y is equal to right hand as proved. Now in question number 7, we have given xy equal to log y plus c, and we will have to verify that it holds good in differential equation y dash equal to y square upon 1 minus xy, where xy not equal to 1. Now taking derivative of both sides of this function, this is the product of two functions. First function into derivative of this, that is y dash plus y, derivative of x equal to 1, log y, the derivative of log y will be equal to 1 upon y and y dash, 1 upon y dash, and this is of 0 because this is a constant 0. Now this will become xy dash plus y is equal to y dash upon y dash upon y. Now y dash is equal to, now y dash is equal to, by multiplying y in both sides, this will be equal to x y dash plus y square. It means if you take transfer y sides and get common as y dash, this will be 1 minus xy. By transferring this step into left hand side, we will take common as y dash means 1, means here you will get minus xy, and this will become y square, hence y dash is equal to y square upon 1 minus xy. ये वेरीफाइड है, दिस इज टू बी वेरीफाइड, y dash equal to 1 y square upon 1 minus x. Verified. Now in question number 8, y minus cos y is equal to x. This is the given function and this is the differential equation. We will have to verify this differential equation with the help of the function y minus cos y is equal to x. Now let us differentiate both sides of the function or taking the derivative of both sides of function. Y means y dash, cos y means sin y minus sin y, this is plus y dash cos y derivative minus sin y or minus minus plus sin y into y dash. X derivative of x will be equal to 1. Here we will take common y dash in both term. In the left hand side you will get, if you take common y dash equal to y dash within the bracket 1 plus sin y dash 1 plus sin y is equal to 1. By means of this function we will obtain the value of cos y very easily, because here cos y will be equal to y minus x. Cos y will be equal to y minus x, and here y dash is equal to 1 upon 1 plus sin y. Now we will substitute these two values. I means y dash is equal to 1 upon 1 plus sin y, and cos y is equal to y minus x in the given expression in left hand side. Left hand side of the function. Left hand side of differential equation. Y sin y sin y plus cos y. Cos y means y minus x plus x. Y sin y cos y means y minus x plus x, and out of bracket here y dash. Now minus x plus x will become each other, and this will become to, if you take common as y 1 plus sin y, 1 plus sin y into y dash. Here we have taken common as y means 1 plus sin y into y dash. Now if you substitute the value of y dash from here, you will get y 1 plus sin y into y dash means 1 upon 1 plus sin y. 1 upon 1 plus sin y. Now 1 plus sin y will be cut by 1 plus sin y, and here will be equal to only y. The right hand side of the differential equation, right hand side hence verified, hence verified, hence verified. Now, thank you for watching this video. Comment, like and subscribe the video. Many thanks to you.